What's up, Kia 2 Technical? So as you can see, I have the Thinborne case for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. I've been using this case on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 for a while now. It is a very, very, very thin profile. That's why it's called Thinborne. It's very lightweight. Doesn't add too much bulk to your Z Fold 7. As you can see, you do want to make sure you clean it off some, because as you can see, mine is kind of smudged up from me having on a MagSafe ring. But you do get enough protection that if you place your phone flat down on the table on the camera, you will be good and protected. Of course, this is like a minimalistic case, so you're not going to get that much lip around the edges. But as long as you have a screen protector on your device, you should be good to go. As you can see, the hinge is just out there in the open. I probably need to try to find me a screen protector for the hinge, so this doesn't get too scuffed up, because I would hate for that to get messed up. You can do wireless charging with this case. As you can see, it'll wireless charge. I have a pop socket that I can put on a MagSafe ring. Magnet is pretty strong, no problem there. So you can throw on you some wallets, whatever has MagSafe built into it, you'll be able to use it with this case here. So now let me pick up a power bank. I have a MagSafe power bank. Put it on just like that. Let's see. And it will charge up your phone. That is a strong magnet. As you can see, it is not coming off. And I like the way this looks, because this camera bar does not mess up or interfere with what you put on the back of the device as of MagSafe power banks. As you can see, it sits right beneath it. Some of these Z Fold 7 cases, you're unable to use a wallet or one of these charging pads with it, because of it sits right on top of the edge of the case. But Thinborne, they did a nice job when they came out with this case and they made their case. I always like these cases. I never was a person that would want a thin feeling case, but man, this is just so nice. It doesn't add any kind of bulk. It's like I'm holding a hand. It's like I'm holding the phone in my hand without a case on it, and I like that. So now I'm going to take you over to their website so you can see how much this case will cost you. And they did send this out to me, if I didn't already say that in the beginning of the video. But let's go over to Thinborne. His case also comes with a screen protector, so you will be good to go there if that is something that you want to use. So yes, the case is kind of pricey, but you get what you get, and this is a nice looking and feeling and nice built device. So if I had to pay for it, I wouldn't mind paying for it. So originally this case was $99.69. Right now it's on sale for $89.69 plus tax, and it just gives you an overall look and feel of what the case is going to look like on your phone. Very thin, lightweight, very minimalistic, and I just love everything about it. Aramid fiber, I just love everything about it. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.